Me. Yeah, I guess that could be okay. Come on. Safety.
Oh, we can shit.
Goodness, I felt like my stomach was about to punch my brain.
How often do we just get to sit back and gaze at the stars? And it's actually pretty comfortable.
Speak for yourself. Sleeping on the ground is more painful than getting your back shredded by a million tiny claws.
I think you're sleeping on Gumbo.
This new lifestyle might be a
When you try and sound smart, it makes up your words, you sound like a fool.
What? Tobias just popped in a photo. I'll send it over.
Oh, for goodness sake! This is another thing that bugs me. He's always pulling that stupid pose. It's so annoying.
Well, it's not really that annoying. It's just photos, buddy.
It's not though, is it? It's all the time. Dude, FYI, you look thunder lame when you pull that pose. What does it even mean?
It's chunking the deuce, man.
And what